Over here at Ripley's Aquarium, there seems to be something happening. Let's be nosy and look over this fence. Boom. If you recall, there used to be a big waterfall right here that would flow over this wall and down. It's no longer here. So, you may be asking, what in the world are they doing? Well, let's look at the hints. The biggest hint they're giving is Shazam, waddle. Waddle for it. Wait for it. Waddle for it. So, using our keen analytical ability, what kind of creature of the ocean waddles? I think Elijah Wood knows the answer to that one. I'm not sure when this is scheduled to open up. Just do a quick Google and I'm sure it's out there somewhere. But this will be an expansion to Ripley's Aquarium. I assume sometime next year it'll open up, so keep it on your radar. If you're coming to town next year, you might want to keep your eye on the opening date on this. And across from this Ripley's Aquarium expansion, they updated some of the signage at the Simpsons 4D Theater and Quickie Mart. Squishy, grab some. They got young Homer and young Marge, nice touch. And the Kraken. The actual theater over there is not open yet. These are kind of popular in Myrtle Beach right now, getting your wax hand. I wonder how many people are making inappropriate hand gestures on their wax figure. If I were to hazard a guess, I'd say over 50%. When I think of dragons and medieval times, I'm always thinking of popping balloons. I didn't notice this the first time they put this up, but his squishy is actually on the ground. That's kind of cool. It's a nice touch. Yep, there you go. Coming soon. Still not open, and we don't know when it's opening. But there it is. Aesthetically, it looks like it's done from the outside, but I'll keep checking the news. Let you know when it opens up. They've put some Christmas decorations up. Let's take a look at this tree up here and what other festive things they have. And also, Poutine Cat. It's Sugar is a shop that has a lot of candy, but if we come over here, it's another section with a ton of cute stuff. Look at all this. And they have a whole Poutine Cat section. What's our fortune? Pull it out. You will eat something yummy today. I hope so. Thanks, fortune cookie. Going across this bridge, they've got some really nice garland over the top. I bet you at night this is really pretty. Oh, there goes the speedboat. I don't see anybody on it. And it's starting to rain. Let's make our way out of here. In front of Key West Grill, there's some unique Christmas trees. I'm gonna call them lazy Christmas trees, or maybe they're just going for some sort of aesthetic here. Like animated Christmas tree maybe? Let's get a closer look at these things. It's like AstroTurf. There are lights on them, so they do light up. But I don't know, I don't like them. Let me know what you think. They look kind of boring to me. Yep, it's officially raining on us. So let's go over here to Paula Dean. She can save us from the rain. Paula's ready for Christmas.